Don't rise to the level of your expectations, you fall to the level of your preparedness.
I haven't heard that. That is deep and quite concerning for me to fall asleep to. Thank you for the nightmares.
Stick it like this, eh?
Yeah, keep going. Just don't stop pedaling, I think.
Until when?
Listen, I don't know, you got more plans than I do, dude. I'm just trying to hang in now.
Pilot stop, fucking rapid. Bottles, mix.
What's happening?
I can't go straight through. There's no ways. I'm almost at the food, so like struggling.
So Tony just gave me the details, and I sent him the email confirmation and the booking.com things are paid and booked. And I emailed the lady and I said my husband cycled over 300 k's, he's going to be tired, please make sure it's good.
You are a fucking legend. I love you so much.
So it's all sorted, lovey.
Thanks, darling. Is it the...
Thank you for being here. Have a lovely day.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here.
Can we give you ice for that?
Simply.
Can
That's
I
all.
give you the cup and mix it for you?
That would be even better. You're an angel.
It's okay, baby. At least I think if we have a little bit of sleep, we'll enjoy the rest of the ride tomorrow.